Don't do this.
Don't do this.
গায়ে হাত দিয়েন না।
So what? তোমাকে আমি মারছি।
I know English properly. Don't worry about
So
that.
what? You know, I think you better. But
Yes, I am, but you can't touch me.
University.
So what?
So what?
Doesn't matter for me. I'm running student.
You student of degree college.
Yes.
So it doesn't have to me.
So what?
So what?
You just doing your job properly. That's enough.
20 years I
That's enough. You just do your job properly. That's enough for us.
I am not.
That's enough for us.
Authority.
And you cannot touch me because
So
this
what?
is not your right. This is not your
This is
right.
not us.
But my side, I like. I can't explain you.
What?
You don't touch me.
No, this is not touch.
This is. You don't touch.
Expression.
No. This is the last one. Please don't touch me.
You আমার warning দাও।
No.
কি করবা?
আপনি আমায় touch করবেন।
তুমি কি করবা? Who are you?
স্যার,
কি
আমি
করবা?
এখনই
আমি কাছে নিয়ে যাবা না?
আমি ওইটা বলতেছি না। আপনি